Hello and welcome today in this module where we'll talk about master slides in PowerPoint, setting up templates, because this is definitely a topic we should know about, we should take a look on, and I will explain you what you need to know to create effective presentation templates and ultimately become better at PowerPoint. Of course, I'll show you a bit of theory, then I'll show you, of course, examples on a real life presentation. The presentation which we did, we can of course make it as a template as well. You know that I personally like to start from scratch by deleting everything and having a blank slide and setting up my layout from scratch. But we could do the same with help of master slides by defining a layout which we then can use repeatedly in other slides in the presentation. So as you have PowerPoint opened, as you right click, you have something called layouts. Those 9 are set up in master slides. So I have those 9 layouts. They are predefined layouts, but we can also delete, add, adjust, and of course create our own layout by using master slides. So let me show you all examples and explain what I'm talking about. The thing we will be talking about is going to view and using Slide Master. This is something very important because in the Slide Master, all the slides, layouts, fonts are determined for the entire presentation. Now, most of the times we use the basic PowerPoint layout, but if we want to set up a template for a company, for our client, then we should use this tab to prepare everything. Okay, I'll go back to my PowerPoint presentation by default. As you can see, as I create new slides, they inherit the layout which I used. As I right click and I go to layout, it's called Office Theme and I have 9 layouts. Okay, now I'll go to View, Slide Master. Does everything make sense? I have 1 master slide and 9 layout slides. As you can see, as I delete several of those slides and I close Master View, as I right click now, I go to layout and I have only those 2 left. So you can notice that the master slide layouts determine how many layouts I have here to use. What's cool, I can go to View, I can go to Slide Master, and I can set up multiple new layouts or multiple new master slides. On the very left side, I have Insert Master Slide and Insert Layout. So this is what I wanted to teach you in this lesson. You can insert master slides. As you can see, a new master slide has appeared with new layouts. Well, it used the basic 9 layouts we have, but we can of course again delete this, leave only 2 layouts and show to our client, to our boss, hey, I have set up 4 layouts, 2 here, 2 here, so you can select whichever you like. So depending on how many master slides you have, that many custom designs you will establish, and of course layouts. Now, why layouts are so cool? Layouts are cool because I can, with one click, at a graph, at a table, at a chart, at a picture, a video, or just by drag and dropping it here. Let me show you an example photos to use, city photo, boom. Thank you PowerPoint, since this was a predefined box for an image or any other thing, it automatically snapped, which would not normally happen like that with our layout. Okay, this was a brief introduction to the master slides. Now I'll finally go in the next lesson and show you how, when, where, and what can be done. Right now, I showed you that on the View tab, you have the Slide Master and you can add master slides and layouts. Depending on how many layouts you have, if I have a bunch of different layouts with different setups, like this box would be different, everything would be changed. As I close Master View, I create then a new slide because I'm working on something and I remember that I had this cool layout. I just right click layout and I find my crazy layout. It was this one, boom, and I have a predefined preset slide to work within PowerPoint.